I am Abhinav Arya. I belong to Muzaffarnagar. It is famous as City of Jaggery in Uttar Pradesh. I started my regular online sessions with Mr. Satish Sir's competitive English tutorials classes since 10th April 2024. So far as the Sainik School RMS and UP Sainik School exams are concerned, we the students having domicile of popular states like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Uttarakhand need to score very high marks in entrance exams. In All India Sainik School exam, cutoff go so high up to 275 to 280 marks for these states. Keeping such high cutoff as target in mind, we need extremely strong fundamentals. We need to set the target to score near about full marks in maths, English and reasoning, which makes 250 marks total. And then in GK, even if we score 34 to 36 marks, then out of total 300 we can score 284 to 286 marks. This is the success mantra given by our honorable sir Mr. Satish Mishra ji. Satish sir is truly a real gem of English subject. Our science teacher Mrs. Akansha ma'am is very dedicated and informative teacher. Our maths teacher Mr. Niranjan sir is very sincere and determined teacher. Our social science and GK teacher Birendra sir is genuinely an ocean of knowledge. I convey whole of my respect and gratitude towards all of my respected teachers. Thank you very much.